Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latte. If this is your first time being here, please do subscribe and become a part of our family. And to my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you what coffee latte is. Coffee latte is a double shot of espresso with a steamed milk and 1 finger of foam. So what makes our coffee lattes different from the rest of our cups of coffee? What makes it different is the way you steam, okay? It's your steaming and your double shot of espresso. So I'm going to teach you how to steam for a perfect cup of latte. As a barista, I always advise you to have a skill so that you can have a good extraction. So let's start. We are going to weigh out. Enter 00. That is small. So this is why you always need your skill to avoid overdosing of the portafilter, because if you overdose your portafilter, it's going to affect your extraction, okay? So you have to make sure that you always use your skill to have the exact amount of coffee grinds you need in your basket. So now we have our So we have 18 grams of coffee grinds. Our ratio for extracted espresso is 1:2, which means that each grind of coffee requires 2 ml of water.
Coffee.
So as you can see, our is beautifully tamped and distributed. So let's extract our espresso. Perfect. Our extraction is on time. The pre-infusion was in 5 to 6 seconds, which is good. And I like the flow of the coffee as well. So I got my perfect espresso. As you can see, I have the crema on top nicely. It smells so good. So what plays a bigger role in our latte is our way of steaming. So I'm going to take you through the process of frothing or steaming for your coffee latte. So let me take you through the process of frothing for a coffee latte. Whenever you get to the steam wort, you have to make sure that the excess heat that is trapped in the steam wort is purged out, okay? So whenever you get here, the first thing you do is to then you proceed to steaming. You always have to lock your pitcher to the steam wort like this. Then we go. Come down a bit for the air. Then you come down again a little bit.
Hello.
Hello, welcome. So as you can see, my phone It's beautifully steamed and then it is moving. See, it's wiping away from the foam is moving. This is the difference. It's a bit heavy, but not too much heavy like cappuccino. Okay. So basically, in cappuccino, the foam is much more than that. So let's proceed to our pouring. So this is our cup of latte. Let me show you how you can also see if you really got a latte. This is how to check your foam, okay? This is how you're going to check if you got a cup of latte. Okay, you can see the foam is a bit heavy. Yes, so this is what makes you to be sure that you got a perfect cup of coffee for your customer, which is coffee latte. Okay, see this foam? This is what you need for a cup of latte. This is what you need, not more than this. This is the kind of foam you need for your coffee, for your latte. Okay, so guys, I hope you've learned. Okay, so what is coffee latte? Coffee latte is a double shot of espresso with a steamed milk and 1 figure of foam. Okay, so it's your steaming that plays a major role in your cup of coffee. So please take note. Your steaming plays a major role in your cup of coffee. It's your milk that differentiates your cup of coffee. Okay, guys, this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below and become a part of our family. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you want us to discuss, and then I will come back with a video addressing your topic. Thank you so much and love you for the support. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.